My life was completely turned over by a lack of hormones. When I was 47, I got very sick after my hysterectomy. And I had always used bioidentical hormones before that. I had always depended on them for my patients, so I tried them all. I tried everything. And I had had my ovaries out, so I had no hormones at all. Not one thing worked. I was so frustrated. I gained weight. I was depressed. I was exhausted all the time, and I was no B. So I got up at night. I was used to living on 4 or 5 hours sleep. This was a disaster for me. I went to doctors. They told me I was lazy, fat, and crazy, people who knew me. And I couldn't believe that they would talk to me like that. And they didn't have any compassion for me. And I finally, by the grace of God, found a doctor in California who would train me and treat me. And I didn't think it was going to work at first because I felt so terrible, but I was hoping. And the very first night, after I had pellets inserted, I slept. And then I felt better, and I started dropping swollen. I felt swollen, so that was gone. And then I started dropping weight. I had energy. I could do my job. And more importantly, I could think. Because to be a doctor, you have to really be able to think. So when I enjoyed all of this, I found a list of all my patients that had felt the same way I had, but I'd never been able to figure out what was wrong with them or treat them. So I invited them in and I treated them with pellets. And then I started my practice. I decided I was going to start BioBalance because I wanted to share all the really good results that I'd had, and I knew there were other people out there like me, and there are. There are thousands, hundreds of thousands of women like me, and that really need their hormones, and they need pure hormones, and they need it non-oral, they need it in a pellet fashion, and that's the only thing that works. And I feel better than I did in my 40s. It's just an amazing miracle treatment for me, and I'm sharing it.